professor's quirks are, there's still an ember of it left.
I figured as much. I've got meds and bandages.
A men's no t-shirt from the Series 5 collection.
We have to rely on your strength, just as you need to rely on ours.
Oyama!
Don't stop!
Ah!
A path that leads to Shigaraki!
Only Factor unleash you in edge!
Odakure!
Fire!
You think you're clever?
You're through hurting people!
Conserve your energy! We've got you covered! Keep going!
We can still help you get closer!
Shoji! Suyu! I will! It's all you!
Carry him to the buzzards! So why won't they die? I see now. That's it.
Midoriya, keep going.
It's something almighty. Yes. It makes these... They won't bow out as long as you're still trying.
You've got this.
Since that day, you've been the greatest hero that I've ever known.
Super regeneration wouldn't work on this emaciated body.
After 2 years, this is a bit stronger than what the 8th hit you with! Now you're facing the combined power of all 9 of us! He pulled himself back together!
I knew better!
All for one! Enough already! Don't you dare let me surpass you! Izuku! All for one! I will never forgive you! I know because our factors were aligned!
Stop it! Look away!
I see you! What a sad, lonely man!
All I managed to do was steal my body back. I really am just a crying child. I couldn't even destroy your hands.
I can never forgive the pain you caused. That's why we had to fight. And for you to stop yourself.
Izuku Midoriya. If Spinner is still alive, Tomura Shigaraki fought to destroy everything until the bitter end.